2025 Range Rover offers luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This model is available with various powertrains, including a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with a mild hybrid system and a V8 option, both delivering ample power. The V8-powered variant can produce up to 606 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds and a top speed of 162 miles per hour. The model's drivetrain remains all-wheel drive, enhancing off-road capability and stability on various terrains. Inside, the 2025 Range Rover provides a spacious and luxurious cabin, with options for high-quality materials, a 13.1-inch curved touchscreen, advanced infotainment, and Amazon Alexa integration. Depending on the model, it can be configured with 5 or 7 seats. Range Rover also includes advanced safety features and driver assistance technology, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, as standard in most trims.